A very blessed good day, dear partners and guests in the entire Philippines and the rest of the world. Welcome to LifeMax Global Incorporated, featuring our world-class, game-changing product, Life Protect, powered by C. Bactor. But before we introduce to you our distinguished speaker, here's a quick reality check. Magre-reality check po tayo ngayon. But first, these two questions. First question, how long do you want to live? Second question, ilang taon na po kayo ngayon? So if you will live up to 105 years old, two-thirds of 105 years lifespan is 70 years old. Kaya kung 70 years old kayo ngayon at gusto nyo umabot ng 105, you still have 35 more years to live. If you will live up to 90 years old, two-thirds of 90 years lifespan is 60 years old. So kung 60 kayo ngayon, you still have 30 more years to live before reaching the age of 90. If you will live up to 75 years old, two-thirds of 75 years lifespan is 50 years old. Kung 50 years old kayo ngayon at aabot kayo ng 75 years old, you still have 25 more years to live. If you will live up to 60 years old, two-thirds of 60 years lifespan is 40 years old. Kaya kung 40 years old kayo ngayon at aabot kayo ng 60 years old, you still have 20 more years to live, and so on and so forth. Kaya nga lang po, nakakalungkot po that sadly, not everyone reach even the age of 30 or 20, not even at the age of 10 or 5 years old. So universally speaking, the length of our service, the length of our years is depending on how healthy we are. That is why in our digital age, we can protect our lives with Life Protect supplement. After all, life is so precious, health is wealth, and there is no price tag that is attached to it. So thank God with our game-changing product, Life Protect, with its hero ingredient, sea buckthorn, will of course feed, nourish, supplement, repair, and protect our entire body for our body to be able to work 24/7 to keep us healthy, to keep us functioning, and to keep us alive, kicking, and well. So sa Diyos ang lahat po ng papuri. And now we come to our much-awaited presentation. Ang magpapakilala po sa atin ng ating company, our game-changing product, at kung paano tayo makadiscount, kumita, makainom ng libre, at may sukli pa, is our distinguished mentor and best friend. He knows what is tender loving care truly mean. He is a registered nurse, graduated from Davao Doctors Medical School. Malalim ang kanyang pagmamalasakit sa ating kalusugan, kagalingan, kalakasan, at ganoon din ang pagnanasa niya na magbago ang ating buhay at ng ating pamilya at ng buong pamayanan. So he's an icon leader, a consistent top performer, in the health and wellness industry in world-class companies for more than 15 years. He became a regional stockist, a country representative, isang financer. But despite of all his achievements, he is very much approachable. Bihira po yung ganitong tao na maraming achievements pero sobrang approachable, very humble, very kind, a down-to-earth person, and possesses a true tender loving care. So ladies and gentlemen, let's give our God bless you welcome to a man of integrity with a compassionate heart to serve. At dahil siya ay totoong product of the product, ay kitang-kita natin sa kanyang ebidensya ng Kuti Celebrity. So he is no other than our LifeMax Global Incorporated, our Chief Marketing Officer. Here's Captain Coach Gerson Pareño.
Yes, thank you for that introductory Sir Bernie. And also sa lahat ng mga leaders na nandito ngayon, welcome po, no? Especially sa mga guests po natin and sa lahat ng mga first timer na nandito ngayon, welcome po, no? So welcome to our company LifeMax Global. All right? So but before we will proceed, I would like to show you a video about the most dangerous pollution nowadays na hindi natin alam, and talagang tayo po lahat ay talagang naapektuhan or tinatamaan ito. Right.
Kapag naririnig natin ang salitang polusyon, kadalasan ang naiisip natin ay maruming hangin, usok mula sa sasakyan o kontaminadong tubig. Pero paano kung sabihin ko sa inyo? Ang pinakamapanganib na polusyon ay hindi lamang nasa paligid natin. Ito ay nangyayari na mismo sa loob ng ating katawan. Araw-araw, tayo ay nalalantad sa mga mapaminsalang elemento. Mula sa hangin na ating nilalanghap na may halong toxins, sa mga process na pagkain na ating kinakain, sa mga kemikal sa ating kapaligiran, at maging sa stress na ating nararanasan araw-araw. Ang lahat ng ito ay nagdudulot ng pagbuo ng tinatawag na mga siyentipiko na free radicals. Ano nga ba ang free radicals? Ang free radicals ay mga hindi matatag na molecules na sumisira sa ating malulusob na cells. Isipin ninyo sila bilang maliliit na kalaban sa loob ng ating katawan na patuloy na naghahanap ng malulusob na cells na kanilang sisirain. Ang prosesong ito ay tinatawag na oxidative stress at isa ito sa mga pangunahing dahilan kung bakit humihina ang ating katawan sa paglipas ng panahon. Ngayon, narito ang nakakabahalang katotohanan. Araw-araw tayong nalalantad sa free radicals at kapag hindi ito kayang labanan ng ating katawan, unti-unti itong naiipon. Sa paglipas ng panahon, maaari itong magdulot ng iba't ibang problema sa kalusugan tulad ng mahinang immune system, palagiang pagkapagod, maagang pagtanda, pamamaga, inflammation, problema sa puso, mataas na blood sugar, at maging malulubhang chronic diseases. Kaya naman, maraming tao ngayon ang nakakaranas ng mga sakit kahit bata pa lamang, dahil ang pinsala ay hindi agad nakikita. Ngunit ito ay nangyayari sa loob mismo ng ating mga cells. Ang totoo, ang ating katawan ay may natural na panlaban laban sa free radicals. Ito ay tinawag na antioxidants. Ngunit dahil sa modernong pamumuhay, polusyon at hindi tamang pagkain, madalas ay hindi ito sapat. Kaya napakahalaga na suportahan natin ang ating katawan sa cellular level. Hindi lamang sa paggamot ng sintomas, kundi sa pagprotekta at pagpapalakas ng ating mga cells mula sa loob. Dahil ang tunay na kalusugan ay hindi lamang nakikita sa panlabas, ito ay nagsisimula sa malusog na cells sa loob ng ating katawan. Kaya sa susunod na isipin mo ang polusyon, tandaan mo ito. Ang pinakamapanganib na polusyon ay ang hindi mo nakikita, ngunit tahimik na nakakaapekto sa iyong kalusugan araw-araw.
Yes, and that's it, no? Talagang masasabi nating itong mga pollution na ito ay talagang walang kawala, wala po tayong kawala. Kumbaga, we're exposed to this, no? And these are called the most dangerous pollution. And ito po yung mga sinasabi nating yung environmental pollution like smog, no? Especially yung car smoke, industrial pollution, no? We have UV radiation and toxic chemicals. Kasali na po dito yung mga processed food na kinakain po natin. And ito po yung isa sa pinaka talagang napaka-rampant nowadays, and basically lahat po tayo ay gumagamit nito. Ito yung exposure natin sa radiation ng mga cellphone, gadgets, or any electronic device po na nasa ating bahay. Ayan. And these are called free radicals. No? So ito lahat ay tinatawag na free radicals. And you know what? The health impact, no, of excessive exposure to these free radicals. Ito yung dahil of this exposure, ito yung naging epekto, no? Kumbaga, for this impact, it created 65% increase of cancer in human beings. Wow, napakadelikado po, no? 60% increase of stress to those who are in city areas. 35% increase of sterility and decreased fertility rate amongst men. 21% increase of brain tumor in children. And ayaw po nating mangyari yan. 85 to 90% increase of cardiovascular diseases, neurodegenerative disorders, and other chronic condition to human. Ito po yung health impact, no, na kumbaga ito po yung naging epekto sa atin. Right? And especially yung mga radiation po using gadgets, electronic device like cell phones, no? And study shows, no, research, there are a lot of articles, no, talagang papatunay po na talagang grabe yung health impact po nito. And even yung WHO, they say that cell phone use can increase possible cancer risk. Yan. And I have a graph here, no, kumbaga image kung saan they conducted an experiment sa Lund University of Sweden kung saan they conducted a test to a rat's brain, no. Kasi yung rat almost the same ng yung structural component ng brain ng tao. And at the first image, this is the image kung saan yung rat's brain normal pa, no? This is the normal rat brain. So what they do, kinulong nila yung rat, then nilagyan nila ng cellphone in 2 hours dose of cellphone, no, radiation. You know what? Pag-scan uli ng rats ng utak ng daga, they have found out nag-shrink, okay? Nag-shrink at saka may mga signs po ng significant of neuronal damage. And talagang nag-create agad ng malaking impact in just a matter of 2 hours dose. And imagine, tayo po as a human being or as a, yung daily, natin, no? Kumbaga, daily routine po natin. Because of, kumbaga, wala na po tayong kawala since yung mga cellphones po natin, yun na po ang nagiging mode of communication natin. So, that's why we're exposed to it. No? And imagine, how many hours, no, yung long hours na ginagamit po natin yan. And ano ang possible na maging impact sa atin doon. Yan. All right? And did you know children are more prone to electromagnetic radiation or EMR since they have thinner skulls, their brain are still developing, 5 times chance from getting cancer in tumors. Napaka talaga, napaka grabe yung impact. And here's a graph, no, kung saan it shows about how the radiation, no, how the radiation penetration rate, no, sa tao, no. Ito yung first image, nandoon yung 5-year-old, no. So itong yellow red areas indicates the thermal heating or the deep penetration of the cell phone radiation. So as you can show in the image, it's around nasa mga 90, no? 85 to 90% yung deep penetration, yung penetration ng radiation sa 5-year-old. How about sa 10-year-old, no? Nasa mga 70 to 75% yung penetration level, yung deep penetration ng radiation. How about sa adult, no? Yung adult nasa mga 40 to 45%. But imagine sa lahat din po ng mga adult, no, lalo na yung mga talagang mga negosyante, no, katulad sa atin, no, and other na mga nasa yung mga call centers or other na mga mga talagang lalo na nasa sa work, no, na gumagamit ng mga cellphones. Imagine kung mainit na, no, yung siguro alam ko may mga iilan dito nakaka-relate, no. Imagine kung sa kabilang sa kabilang tenga mo mainit na, so ano yung common na ginagawa natin? Inililipat natin sa kabilang tenga. So kaya yung impact noon talagang grabe, no. So imagine hindi lang tong left side kundi in the other side din. So both side tinatamaan po ng radiation. Kaya napakadelikado. All right? Okay? So radiation not with our children, of course, no. So we don't like na talagang matamaan tayo, but nowadays, no, dahil nga kulang ng kaalaman, mas marami ang walang idea, no, kung ano yung health impact nito. Kaya even yung mga bata ngayon, no, kung umiiyak, ang ginagawa natin, binibigyan pa natin ng cellphone para hindi lang umiyak, para ma-divert, no. So and as for now, no, nakita natin na grabe pala yung pwedeng maging impact sa mga bata, right? And of course, wala po tayong kawala, and even tayo mismo, no? Tayo mismo, kahit tayo, ito na, no? We're exposed to it. So the question right now is how we will protect ourselves against this radiation or these free radicals na kung saan talagang walang kawala, we're exposed to it, no? And good news, no? Because with LifeMax Global Network, we would like to introduce to you an amazing product and game changer. And, kumbaga, very beneficial na, na supplement kung saan ito ay tinatawag natin na Life Protect. All right? So, this is a Life Protect by LifeMax. Okay? Featuring Himalayan sea buckthorn. By the way, this Life Protect is powered by Himalayan sea buckthorn. I know some of you right now, this is the first time na marinig itong Himalayan sea buckthorn. And its benefit, mamaya i-share natin kung ano o kung gaano katindi ang mga health benefits na pwede nating ma-enjoy sa sea buckthorn. And this Life Protect is also known as the natural superfood, and it is act as a free radical scavenger and immunomodulator. And you know what? In 1980s, Russian cosmonauts were supplementing their diet with sea buckthorn. Yun. And Russian astronaut use sea buckthorn as supplement mainly because of its protective and nutritional properties. Kaya ito yung mga talagang they conducted a research studies, no, na talagang may maitutulong ba itong hero ingredient natin, especially itong sea buckthorn, sa exposure natin sa radiation. And that's why even the Russian astronaut, ito yung mga ginagamit nila, especially in the harsh environment of the space, no? Since they were exposed to this cosmic radiation, and as we all know, ang epekto, grabe yung radiation level ng cosmic radiation sa outer space. In fact, may bagong na nangyari, no, kung saan yung isang astronaut from NASA, no, na kumbaga in just 9 months time nung na-expose sila sa radiation at yung sa sa outer space na ganun katagal dahil may parang nangyari na problema kaya hindi sila nakuha agad, and after yung bumalik sila sa Earth, talagang grabe yung parang biological age nila talagang nag-advance, no, in just 9 months time, parang nag-advance ng ilang years yung yung biological nila, no, yung sa itsura nila. Talagang ganun ka lupit or ganun ka tindi yung radiation impact sa outer space. And that's why yung other na mga astronauts like China, Russia, they were used to have this sea buckthorn as their supplement. And Soviet scientists found that sea buckthorn helps protect the body from radiation exposure, since it had been discovered that it is packed with compounds that fight free radicals. Wow. So harmful molecules produced by radiation and stress in space, astronauts experience more oxidative stress. So this is crucial. That's why they were using this sea buckthorn, no? And it contains 190 plus bioactive nutrients. Kaya naman napakagaling, napakatindi in terms sa free radical protection itong sea buckthorn. And ito yung nangungunang hero ingredient po ng ating Life Protect. Yan. So, but other than that, I would like you to show a video kung ano pa yung pwedeng benefit na pwede nating ma-enjoy with this hero ingredient we have, the sea buckthorn. Alright? So, ito po yun.
Alam niyo ba kung saan talaga nagmula ang golden berry ng kabundukan? Ito ang sea buckthorn o Hippophea rhamnoides L. Ang orihinal na tirahan nito ay mula sa Central Asia at Northwestern Europe. Nagsimula ito sa Altai Mountains, Hilagang China, at hanggang sa mga matataas na bundok ng Himalayas. Likas din itong matatagpuan sa Hengduan Mountains, Caucasus, at Siberia. At alam nyo ba? Ang generic na pangalan nito, ang Hippophae, ay nagmula sa sinaunang Griego na nangangahulugang shiny horse. Ito ay dahil sa kasaysayan, ginamit itong pampalusog at pampaganda ng balahibo ng mga kabayo. Dahil sa pambihira nitong benepisyo, ang sea buckthorn ay mabilis na kumalat sa buong Eurasia. At ngayon, ito ay kinikilala at kinukultiba na sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo, tulad ng Germany, sa Europa, Canada, at United States. Ang sea buckthorn ay isang superfood dahil sa kaniyang walang katulad na nutritional profile. Taglay nito ang omega-3 at omega-6. Ngunit ang pinakanatatangi ay ang omega-7 o palmitoleic acid, isang napakabihirang MUFA, monounsaturated fatty acid. Ang omega-7 ay kritikal sa pagtulong sa iba't ibang metabolic disorders. May mahalagang papel ito sa glucose metabolism, pagpapanatili ng skin health at pagpapabuti ng liver functions, git pa sa taba. Puno rin ang bunga na ito ng iba pang bioactive compounds. Mataas na vitamin C, antioxidants, flavonoids, at iba pang minerals. Ang mga compound na ito ang nagbibigay sa halaman ng kaniyang pambihirang benepisyo. Pagiging anti-inflammatory, immune boosting, anti-cancer, anti-diabetic, at cardioprotective. Ang sea buckthorn ay nagtataglay ng extraordinary potential para sa kalusugan ng tao. Ito ay isang natural na kayamanan na maaaring isama sa routine therapies. Ang golden berry, matanda sa kasaysayan at may malaking pangako para sa ating kinabukasan. Alam niyo,
Ayan, no? So aside from our sea buckthorn, no, yung ating hero ingredient, ang ating Life Protect po, it contains other 27 active ingredients, 12 fruit, seeds, and gut supporting sources, no? So ito po yung mga other ingredient na nasa ating Life Protect, no? So we have the blueberry, gooseberry, camu-camu berry, and blackberry, bellberry. So these are berries that contains flavonoids, no, mga antioxidants, and talagang napaka polyphenols, no, maganda sa mga anti-tumor properties, no, anti-inflammatory. At the same time, since it contains mga B1 o B complex, no, kumbaga maganda din po ito sa nerve at sa mga ugat, no, especially sa mga mata, no. Yan, magandang nakakatulong po yan sa ating mga mata. And also it contains a pink grapefruit, no, na maganda din sa ating, it boosts our metabolism, no, and aids weight management. Kung gusto mong magpapapayat, no, so magandang alternative ito. And for me, sa experience ko, hindi ka madaling gutumin once you take this Life Protect. Yan. So it has also marigold flower, no, which are more in lutein, also good for the eyes. Sunflower, we have natto kinase, no. So yung natto kinase naman, it all acts also sa blood thinner. So yung mga dugo na may mga kumpol-kumpol, so these are good sa mga diabetic and also sa mga hypertensive, no. Grabe yung cholesterol level, so this is good, no. So we have also chicory root, bifidobacteria, lactobacillus, and these are good as support for our gut, no. So yung mga may problema sa bowel movement, this is good for you, no. So and as we all know, no, na pag maganda yung digestion mo, talagang mas maganda yung kumbaga yung flow ng ating yung sa absorption sa ating mga nutrients katawan. Yan. And of course, our hero ingredient, yung ating sea buckthorn, which contains omega-3, omega-6, and the rare omega, which the omega-7 and omega-9. So improve the skin health, support immunity, enhance heart health, and anti-inflammatory effects, no. So anti-inflammatory, and this is good also for those may mga cancer, no, or mga tumors, because it has an anti-tumor activity of sea buckthorn can be attributed to bioactive compounds, no, particularly phenolic compounds such as flavonoids including campyrrol, quercetin, no, and insuramnitin, no? And this protects cells from oxidative damage that can lead to genetic mutation and to cancer. So highly beneficial po, no? Hindi po basta-bastang kumbaga ingredient na meron po tayo sa ating Life Protect. Kaya naman talagang they were amazed. Ang dami na pong mga testimonies na talagang nakatulong at saka nakapag-relate sa mga conditions nila, no? Yung mga naka-take ng ating Life Protect. All right? Yan. So here there's a image, no, kung saan ito pong yung tinatawag natin, no, na yung rate or yung level ng production ng ating stem cell. So as we age, nagdi-deplete siya. Kumbaga, itong stem cells are the body natural repair kit, no, in our system. So nakikita po natin dito na nung bata pa po tayo, ang taas ng ating stem cell production. So however, as we age, no, unting-unting nagdi-deplete yung ating yung ating stem cell production. Kaya naman yung repair, kumbaga yung restoration or yung healing process natin hindi na ganoon ka bilis as we age dahil nga yung level ng ating natural stem cell nagdi-deplete na. So yun ang problema. So yung aging process mas kumbaga mas mabilis na, slow na yung healing, at the same time grabe na, kumbaga hindi na ganoon kabilis yung repair, yung restoration. So yun ang nagiging problema pag as we age, no, pag umiidad na ang tao. But the good thing with our Cibactord, your ating Life Protect, no? It contains a hero ingredient, Cibactord, that had been found out na talagang napakatindi, napakagaling na dahil mayroon siyang capacity na pwede niyang kumbaga yung production ng ating natural stem cells, no, mas mapabilis niya, no. So it enhances the production ng ating natural stem cells. So I have here a graph, no, kung saan they conducted an experiment, no, sa isang patient, no. Kumbaga kinunan nila ng isa lang ito, no, sa mga sa mga kinuha nila. Kumbaga ito yung graph kung saan they have seen that when they take the Cibactord extract, no, from the baseline, kasi nung kinunan siya, kinuha yung production, yung baseline ng productivity ng kanyang stem cell, yung normal productivity ng kanyang stem cell, no, nung hindi pa siya naka-take ng Cibactord. But the time na nag-take siya ng Cibactord, it had been shown on the graph na nag-create ng, these are the stem cells, no, yung natural stem cells natin, yung progenitor stem cells, pluripotential stem cells, endothelial stem cells, the mesenchymal. There's abrupt yung there's a progress nung nakatake na ng Cibactord, no, nagtaas yung productivity level ng kaniyang natural stem cell. Ayan po. So as you show in the graph. Ayan. So these are the Life Protect major benefits. Ito yung mga ibang benefit na pwede nating ma-enjoy sa ating Life Protect. So mayroon siyang anti-inflammatory. Okay? Protects against cancer and heart disease, aids weight loss and bone health, promotes eye health, regulates blood pressure, boosts energy and vitality, helps cellular restoration, improves ulcerative colitis, enhance cognitive function, brain calming, yan, help managing diabetes, liver support, radioprotective, prevent prostate issues, aids insomnia, prevent erectile dysfunction, yan, helps thyroid and goiter problem, neutralize free radicals, aids in constipation, promote urinary tract infection, help restore kidney problem, right? Rheumatism, vertigo, depression, boosts appetite, helps relieve arthritis, enhances stem cell production, promotes skin health, and anti-aging effect and others. Yan. Ito yung mga benefits na pwede nating ma-enjoy sa ating Life Protect. All right. And there's ito yung mga testimonies no na nakapag yung mga nakapag-take ng ating Life Protect. We have this diabetic patient on the left side, no? So as you have shown this one before, ito yung parang gangreno siya. So ito yung red areas nito, yung ano niya sa gilid, it indicates na yung kumbaga yung ano pa, yung kumbaga ano pa yung fresh pa talaga yung sugat, no? But ito yung before, mataas din yung sugar level niya. As the time they take in 2 weeks time, no, continuous, no, consistent na pagtake ng ating Life Protect, ito ang nangyayari, no? So bumaba yung sugar level, all right? Nag-normalize. Then yung nag-ano siya, no? Talagang nag-ano na. Nag yung sugat nag-ano na siya, no? Nag-lighten at the same time talagang nag-restore, na-repair na yung sugat. Yan. And also we have here another testimony, no? High blood pressure. Ito. So as you can see, talagang detailed po ito, no? So March 31, so 10:39 a.m., no? Ayan. So ito, in just a matter of ilang minutes, no, after taking the product, ito yung kagandahan dahil po yung ating produkto ay sublingual, kaya napakabilis ng absorption rate. So ito naman yung experience niya, and 10:45 a.m., no, is in just a matter of ilang minutes, nag-subside na po, no, naging siya, naging 139/85. Then after an hour, all right, eto na, no, nag-normalize siya. Wow, kaya without any other medicine tinake niya dahil yun lang din yung time na nag-shoot up yung niya, yung blood pressure niya. Hindi naman siya yung hypertensive na may mini-maintain. Ito yung naging niya, yung naging experience niya taking the Life Protect. Yan. Okay. So, ito pong lahat, no? Ito pong formulation ito dahil po sa ating yung ating biochemist, no? Yung ating product formulator at ang ating biochemist, ang ating research scientist, ang ating product formulator, our scientist, no? Our CEO, Dr. Lalaine Grace Felicitas, no? So, talagang napakatindi po nito, and it is our privilege to have Doktora as our CEO, no? And kaya naman talagang mayroon tayong ganito napakalupit, napakaganda na produkto na ating Life Protect. Okay. Yan. So people behind the company, so ito na yung mga other mga mga sa board din, no? Kumbaga we have our COO, Sir Edward Felicitas, me myself, no, the CMO, Jersey Pareño, and my wife, no, the CFO, the Chief Financial Officer. Yan. Okay? So company and product legality, so we have already our certificate of incorporation. We have LifeMax Global Network. We have our LTO as well, no? So yan. Then ang ating halal certification sa ating manu po. Yan. All right? So how much and paano po natin in-intake? By the way, yung ating Life Protect po it is a powder form, no, extract, no, kung saan ito po ay tinitake via sublingual sa ilalim po ng dila, ng ating dila, no, so direct to mouth, no. So ayan, bakit po? Dahil mas fast ang absorption compared to capsule, no, fast yung absorption rate, 90 to 95%, directly to your bloodstream. Then it is kidney safe, unlike with the capsule, kasi may mga ibang capsule din po kasi na they're using the pig skin or mga other na mga kumbaga other na mga raw mats, no, na talagang hindi mabilis matunaw, no, or mga tinatawag nila na mga other components. All right, so ayan, And itong ating Life Protect, isang box po niyan, it contains 14 sachet, and every sachet meron po siyang 3,000 milligrams. And you know what? Sa 3,000 milligrams sa isang sachet, para ka na rin uminom ng 6 capsules. Since yung every capsule naman, 500 milligrams yan. So, ito, sa isang sachet, 3,000, good for a day po na po yan. Di ba? I just want to emphasize this one dahil yung iba kasi, lalo na yung mga usually ginagamit is more on yung sa capsule, no? So they were recommended by to take 2 capsule in the morning, 2 capsule in the noontime, and 2 capsule in the evening para mas grabe yung epekto or somehow mas ma-enjoy nila yung benefit. And dito, since 3,000 milligrams na po ito, kaya parang nag-take ka na rin ito ng 6 capsules. So good for a day na po yan. So isang box contains 14 sachet. Yan. So make money with LifeMax Global. So how to be a business associate, no? So ito yung kagandahan. Dahil sa isang box pa lang, member ka na. By the way, ang isang box po natin, no, sa ating Life Protect, no, with 14 sachet, sabi nga ni doktora, no, as much yung dahil sa component niya, sa kaganda ng mga ingredients na napaloob sa ating Life Protect, it can cost as much as 11,200. But good news, no? So of course, ayaw nating gawin yan since gusto nating mas maraming maka-enjoy, maraming maka-take, at maraming makapag-benefit ng ating Life Protect. Kaya naman, instead of pricing it for 11,200, we just price this one as for our suggested retail price for only 2,500. Yan. Right. So dito, sa isang box pa lang, member ka na. So, no registration fee. Just simply purchase the product package to retail or purchase for your personal consumption. So, wala po tayong quota, mandatory maintenance, business with no boundaries. Kahit saan mo gustong magnegosyo, kahit sa ibang bansa pa, pwede. No? So, real-time commission po. Dahil gusto po natin na kasi real time po tayo pag na-receive po agad or nag-reflect po sa dashboard natin agad, we can right away pwede natin na ma-encash. Yan. So, generous compensation program, unlimited potential income, then claim products every renewal once capping is reached, free trainings and support system, no prepare, trip incentive, and travel rewards. Yan. So, our offer, we offer premium products, we offer ultimate complan, and rewards and bonuses. Okay? So as a LifeMax Global Business Associate, you can be any of the following. You could be a consumer, you could be a entrepreneur, you could be a consumer or entrepreneur, both. No? So you could do both. Yan. So how to become a business associate? To get started with LifeMax Global Business, just purchase any of the following. So it's up to you then, no, kung saan mo gustong mag-umpisa. So we have 5 business packages na pwede nating pagpilian. Ayan. So these are the packages. So we have 1 box. We have the Life Protect 1 box. This is called the Light Pack. Then we have the 2 box Core Pack. We have the Pro Pack, 4 boxes. We have the Master Pack, 16 boxes. And Infinity Pack, 40 boxes. And ang kagandahan po sa ating LifeMax Global platform, no? So kahit na Light Pack ka lang, pwede kang maging Infinity Pack. So as you grow your network, as you grow your business, you could be Infinity Pack. Yan. Okay. So 5 ways to earn po, no? So yung first way to earn natin, we have outright commission. All right? So ang suggested retail price po natin is 2,500. Yung membership package po natin, no, price 2,100. So therefore, meron ka agad commission, outright commission 400 pesos. Ayan. So, yung referral commission natin, so it will be based on the package. Okay? Kung ano yung package na kinuha natin. Alright? So for example, light pack ka. Pag light pack ka, ang ang referral bonus mo is 20% based on the point value. So meron kang $4 every box pag light pack ka. Alright? So $4 every box, or pag nakakuha ka ng infinity package, kasi yung infinity package natin 40 boxes yan. So 4 times 40, that's 160. Alright? So pag kurpa ka naman, 25% based on the point value, so you will enjoy $5. So pag $5, nakapagkuha ka $5 per box, pag nakapag-refer ka ng infinity, so that's 40 boxes. So 5 times 40, 200. So it will be depending on the referral you've got, no? So kung nakakuha ka ng Pro, 4 na box yan. So 20, that's 5 times 4, that's $20. So ganun po siya. Right? So pag Pro pack ka naman, Pro package, 30% yung referral bonus mo, or $6 every box. So 6 $6 per box. So how about pag nakapag-refer ka ng infinity, that's 40 bucks. So 6 times 40, that's 240. All right? So master pack, 35%, $7 every box. So 7 times 40, pag nakapag-refer ka na ng infinity 40, that's 280. And ito yung pinaka-ultimate goal natin, to become infinity package. Why? Because when you are an infinity package, you will be enjoying the lifetime 40% every referral. Yan. So that's $8 every referral, no? $8 po, no? So 8 times, kapag nakapag-refer ka ng infinity, then nakapag-refer ka ng infinity din, no? So you're an infinity account, then you will you refer an infinity account as well. So 8 times 40 boxes, or 40 na ano na kumbaga 40 boxes, no? So 8 times 40, that's $320. Ayan. So sa ating referral commission. All right? Ayan. On third way to earn natin, this is the binary plan bonus. So ito naman po ay based on the point value. All right? So every box, meron po tayong 20 points every box. Okay? 20 points every box. So therefore, every time na ma-detect ng system, yung binary bonus po natin, group sales po ito, no? Pag ma-detect ng system, meron kang 1 box on the left, 1 box on the right. All right? So there's a match. So binary bonus is the matching bonus, no? So pag na-detect ng system na meron kang isang box sa left, isang box sa right, there's a match. Pag nag-match yan, meron kang another bonus na $4 sa ating binary plan. Alright? So pairing bonus po natin yan, $4. Every 1 box on the left, 1 box on the right, $4. How about may kurpak na nag-join sa yung left at saka another kurpak na join sa yung right? So 2 box on the left, 2 box on the right. So every match $4, another match $4. So you will enjoy $8. How about Pro? No, ang Pro is 4 bucks yan, no? 4 bucks on the left, 4 bucks on the right. So you will enjoy 4 times 4, that's $16, no? So kung pag master naman, 16 boxes on the left, may nag-join na naman another 16 boxes on the right. So you have 16 matches. So you will enjoying $64. And ito yung maganda. Kapag may nag-join sa iyo na infinity package on the left, that's 40 boxes. Infinity package on the right, that's 40 boxes. Then every box, every matches, meron kang $4. So 4 times 40, you will be enjoying $160. So ganun katindi, no? Unlimited po yan, infinity. Up to the infinity po yan. Ayan. So ito yung example, like for example, light account ka. Pag may pumasok sa iyo, isa sa left, isa sa right, so you will be enjoying $4 on the left, $4 on the right. As your referral bonus, then there's a match, another $4. Yung dalawang nag-join sa iyo, no? What they will do? They will do the same. Duplicate, no? So they will also get 2, each of them. magkuha ng dalawa. So, syempre, of course, they will enjoy the referral. So, ang ma-enjoy mo dyan is the binary. So, is pag every time na ma-detect sa system na may isa sa left, isa sa right, there's a match, $4, another left, another right, no, match, $4. So, that's a total of $12. So, dito, yung dalawa mo, nakapagkuha din ng dalawa-dalawa. So, 4 on the left, 4 on the right. So, every match, $4, $4, $4, $4, at saka $4. So, up to infinity. Anyway, nothing to worry about this one because we are computer-generated system. Mayroon po tayong dashboard na ito yung maganda dahil mayroon po tayong dashboard na i-monitor natin kung saan malalaman natin yung pumasok at saka yung commission po natin. Kaya ang kailangan nyo lang matutunan is how to withdraw. Yan. Yan ang pinaka-importante. Alright? So, binary income potential. Ito yung maximum na pwede nating kitain, no? So sa ating mga kumbaga sa package po na kinuha natin. Like for example, light pack. Ang maximum na pwede mong kitain sa light package is $300 or 21,000. Pag core ka naman is $600 or 42,000. Pag pro ka, 3,600 or 250,000. Pag master ka, 7,200 or 504,000. Pag infinity ka, 12,000 or 840,000 pesos. So, ano po ba ito? It could be per week, per day, or per hour, or per minute. So, it will be depending on the group sales. So, pwede mo itong kitain per week, per day, per hour, or per minute. It's up to you kung gaano ka bilis yung grupo mo. Ayan. So, how to upgrade my account? So, ito yung proseso natin. Ayan. So, once capping is reached, ganito po ang mangyayari. No? Take note, ha? Take note, every income na na-generate sa ating system, 10% of that will be automatically segregated going to our upgrade wallet or capping. Ayan. So, for example, meron kang you entry sa light package, no? Nagkuha ka ng light account or you've started a light package, all right? So, ang maximum na pwede mong kitain is $300. Okay? So, automatically, pag na-accumulate mo na yung $300 na income, all right? Na-enjoy mo na yon. So, pag na-accumulate na yung $300, yung 10% of that would be $30. So, nakasegregate na yan. So, nothing to worry about that one. Nakasegregate na yan. So, what you will do, pag meron ka ng $30, alright? Kung light account ka, what you will do is just click it, no? Claim it. So, pag na-click mo na yan, then you will be claim or you will claim the $1. So, meron kang isang box niyan. Then, the good thing of this, no? Pag na-claim mo na yung $1 or naka-repurchase ka na ng $30, then your account from light account will be upgrade to core account. Yan. So, naging core account ka na. And, of course, as you upgrade, your referral bonus will upgrade also. So, from $4, no, every box, you will be enjoying referral bonus of $5 na. Yan. But, take note, ito yung kagandahan dito. Siyempre, of course, mai-enjoy ni Upline ang pag-upgrade mo. Bakit? Every time you will upgrade, of course, si Upline, mayroon siyang matatanggap na referral bonus. So, as you upgrade, the Upline will enjoy the referral bonus. At hindi po lang po yan. Dahil pag si Upline ay mayroon ng strong leg at ikaw pag-upgrade mo nasa weak leg ka, automatically aside sa referral bonus, si Upline kikita din sa binary bonus. So it will be match on the strong leg. So mag-preparing na naman si Upline. So yun, ganun kaganda, no? So ngayon, since core account ka na, yung maximum na pwede mong kitain pag core account ka is $600. Ayan. So automatically, it will be the 10% of that, it will be segregated. So same pa rin yung magiging scenario niya, no? So yung process niyan, so pag nasa $60 na yan, what you will do is click it, claim the products, you will be enjoying 2 boxes. And of course, from core account, when you claim the $60, no, nag-repurchase kumbaga sa ano mo, sa capping mo, from core magiging pro ka na. So as pro account, you will be enjoying $6 every box na. And of course, as you upgrade, same process then, of course, si upline, he or she will enjoy the referral bonus, no? So every time yung mga downline nila, every time yung mga sponsor nila, so they will once na nag-upgrade yon, they will enjoy the referral bonus. Yan. Okay, so pro account, so income cap 3,600, this time $360, no? Yung nasisegregate. So this time, kiklik na naman yan, same process. So he or she will get the products. Then from pro account magiging master account na, nag-upgrade na. Then of course, same scenario, si upline din, kikita na naman ng referral as well as pag nasa weak leg, may bangga pa. Alright. So income cap 7,200. So dito mayroon na naman, no, repurchase na naman until such time na maging infinity. Kaya yun ang sinabi ko kanina, kahit na light package ka lang, as you upgrade, as you grow your network, as you build your organization, as you enjoy your income, automatically, unti-unti ka ring aakyat yung package mo up to the infinity account. Yan. Kaya dito sa LifeMax, nakaprogram na po tayo na lahat ng ipapasok niyong leaders, no, ng mga members, no, under your organization, wala po yang papuntahan kundi it will goes up, it will goes to infinity. Kaya aalagaan lang natin, susuportahan lang natin, and you as your leaders, as your downline will grow, your income also grow. Yan. Yun po yung ating yung sikreto. Ayan. Okay. So, but of course, sabi nga po nila, multiple accounts, it's better than one. Ayan. So, if you have more accounts, it's better than one. No? So, kung yung LifeMax Global po natin, we could have at least 3 accounts. Ito po yung maximum account po natin. So, you can maximize that one. No? So, the power of 3 global accounts. So, if you have 3 global accounts, ito pong mangyari. So it's up to you then kung saan ka magsisimula. You could start from 3 na account, 3 light, or you could start from 3 core account, or you could start from 3 pro account, 3 master account, or kung meron ka talagang extra at gusto mo itong i-full blast at gawing negosyo full time, you could start as much as 3 infinity account. And ito yung kagandahan. Dahil pag 3 infinity account ka, no? So kahit na yan, yan lahat mag-upgrade yan eh. Yan. So what you will do is pag 3 infinity account ka, what you will do is just do this program or process, no? Get 4 leaders. All right? From your 3 accounts, get what you need is 4 leaders that will duplicate your yung ginawa mo, no? So 4 leaders na kukuha din na 3 infinity account. Ayan. So each of the leaders will get also 3 infinity accounts. So ano yung pwedeng mangyari? Ano yung projection? Ano yung potential na pwede nating kitain as we do this duplication? We do this system, no? Ayan. Okay. So, all right, no? Ito yung level 1 pa lang, no? So, pag nasa level 1 ka pa lang, no? Na-achieve mo na yung 4 na leaders mo na kumuha ng tig-3 infinity account, ito yung pwedeng potential na kitain. All right? So, from level 1, you could earn as much as $3,200 or $224,000 pesos. Ayan, no? So, okay? So, yung apat na leader mo, what you will do is teach them, train them, empower them that they will do the same. Duplicate the system, no? So, four leaders, no? Ang gagawin nila, susuportahan po natin ito that they also get their four. Each of one, no? They will get four leaders na nagkukuha ng tig-tatlong infinity account. Yan. So on the level 2, pag nagawa na po ng four leaders mo na kumuha ng tig-apat na nagtatatlong infinity, on the level 2, ano yung pwedeng kitain mo? Of course, yung apat kikita yon. So they will enjoy the same 224,000. So of course, masisiyahan 'yan, no? All right? So balik kapital, all right? So ang kagandahan dito on the level 2, pag na-complete 'yan, ito naman yung potential na pwede mong kitain. All right? 268,000 or 800 peso or $3,840. Yan. So, on the level 3, 64 infinity na yan. Ito naman yung potential 7,680 or dollar or 537,000. On the level 4, ayan, naging 256 na yan kasi duplication. So, ito yung the power of compounding, no? Kumbaga, nag-compound na yan, no? So, from 256, ito yung magiging potential na kitain mo, nasa 15,360 or 1,075,000. So, on the level 5, $30,720 or 2.1 million. On the level 6, ayan, wow, $61,000 or 4.3 million. And hindi lang po dyan, kumbaga, ano, no? Kasi to the infinity yan. So therefore, on the 6th level pa lang, ito yung pwede mong kitain, 8.5 million. Kaya naman talagang napakaganda ng program nito. Napakabilis, achievable. Alam ko naman po, no, yung iba dyan, may mga nagsimula ng negosyo, talagang napakalaki ng mga capitalization. But here, in LifeMax Global, sa tatlong infinity mo pa lang, ito yung pwedeng potential na pwede mong kitain as you duplicate the proven system. Ayan. Alright? So, up to infinity yan. Okay? So, on the fourth way to earn natin, we have this repurchase program. So, we have this redundant binary. So, ito yung mangyayari. Lahat ng mga repurchase mo, okay? So, you will enjoy the, kumbaga, yung referral bonus na tatanggapin mo or sponsor bonus, it will be directly given to your dashboard, no? For example, nag-repurchase ka, no? And you are an Infinity account. Nag-repurchase ka, instead of mag-encode ka ng iba, no? In-encode mo na lang sa sarili mo. So you will enjoy the sponsor bonus, no? It will go directly to your personal dashboard. Ayan. So yung referral bonus na yan, no? Hindi yan aakyat kay upline. It will serve as your discount po. Ayan, ayan. Kahit na 2,000, of course, member price natin 2,1 na lang. So mayroon ka pang pag repurchase mo, mayroon ka pang additional na referral bonus. Ayan. So it will be go to your main account. Ayan. And ang question right now is, how about yung upline? Ito po yung kagandahan ng program po ni LifeMax. Dahil kahit na yung mga down the lines nyo po, no, nag-repurchase lang yan, no, meron yang point value na aakyat sa iyo, no? So therefore, may point value yan, no? Same pa rin, no, sa mga matching bonus natin. So you will enjoy the binary bonus. So like for example, itong repurchase, isang package yan. So it has 20 points. Yung 20 points ngayon, aakyat yun ngayon sa iyo sa taas at babangga yan ngayon sa strong leg mo na isang box din. So yan. So ito kaganda yung sistema ni LifeMax dahil yung redundant binary nga ganun katindi, no? So dito sa LifeMax Global, every time na may mag-join or may mag-member, pwede kang mag-binary income. Every time mag-upgrade every time mag-capping, pwede kang another binary income na naman. Lahat ng mga leaders mo nag-repurchase. Every time they will repurchase, you will also enjoy another binary income. So dito, every time may papasok, may mag-upgrade, may magre-repurchase, you will enjoy pairing bonus or binary income. Yan. So, how about 3 accounts, no? Sa isang account pa lang yan, no? Since 8 accounts po, 3 accounts po ang maximum natin, no? So, like for example, yung account 3 mo, yun ang strong leg mo, nasa 10,000 points po yan, no? So, yung ating weak leg nasa account 2 mo. Okay? So, of course, kung may plano kang mag-upgrade or mag-repurchase, no? So, dito ka sa weak leg, no? So, doon ka mag-repurchase. Ngayon, ang mangyayari, so example na lang, nagplano ka mag-repurchase ng isang Infinity. Buong 40 boxes 'yan, no? All right? So, of course, saan mo ilalagay 'yan, yung repurchase? Sa yung weak leg. So, automatically, you will be enjoying the sponsor bonus. It will goes to your main account, the $320. And ganito katindi, ganito kaganda, dahil pag nasa weak leg mo yan, of course, meron kang strong leg na waiting dyan sa kabila mo, it will also match to the strong leg. No? So, therefore, hindi lang po sponsor bonus ang ma-enjoy nyo, you will also as well enjoy the binary bonus. So meron ka pang $160. Yan. Then ito, no, referral bonus goes to your main account for every product package repurchase. So referral bonus depends on the entry packages. Enjoy recurring binary rewards every time under your network makes a repurchase. Ayan. So kaya naman talagang napakasulit sa 4 ways to earn pa lang natin. Mai-enjoy mo na yung kitaan sa ating LifeMax Global. So here, yung cash out natin 80%, capping 10%, yung 10% naman pag mag-mature yan, i-income din yan, no? Since i-click din yan siya. So and we have the redemption, no? 10% since we would like na lahat ng mga members natin must be a product of our own product, no? So, hindi siya yung kasi may iba magagaling magbenta but sila mismo sa personal nila hindi sila nagko-consume. But here in LifeMax Global nakaprogram na po tayo na walang pwedeng kumbaga walang hindi pwedeng nagpo-push lang po tayo but might as well na tayo po ay maging testimony ng ating produkto. Ayan. So, redemption 10%. So, this will be a total of 100%. Of course, yan. So, eto, last but not the least, leadership and bonus reward. And ang leadership bonus reward natin, no? Ang kagandahan po nito, wala pong time frame, wala pong reset, and these are accumulative. Dahil nakaprogram po ang leadership bonus reward natin na sa lahat ng mga leaders, sa lahat ng mga siseryosohin at tatrabahuin si LifeMax Global, i-enjoy nila talaga yung kitaan dito, no? Yan, or yung mayroon talaga silang reward na matatanggap. Yan. So travel, car incentive, and mga house reward. Yan. So dito, so yung ang basis lang po natin dito based sa ating accumulative income or accumulation income, no? Ito yung mga requirements, accumulation income and direct sponsor requirement. Ayan. So sa ating accumulation requirement, no? Pag nakapag 2,500 ka sa buong kita mo, referral or yung sa binary bonus mo, no? Kasali po 'yan. Then meron ka lang 2 direct sponsor na dalawang Infinity kahit nagsimula sila sa Light, nag-upgrade na naging to Infinity, you will be ranked as a Quartz Ambassador. And as a Quartz Ambassador, you will be enjoying a smartphone gadgets of 15,000 worth. Yan. So, pili ka na lang, no? So, you have also $50 product redemption plus plaque. Okay? From 2,500, nag-accumulate yan. Hindi yan, walang reset yan. Patuloy yan, continuous from 3,000, naging 4,000, naging 5,000. Then, meron ka lang 6 na direct na Infinity. You will be ranked as Amethyst Builder. Natanggap mo na yung smartphone or yung any gadget, no, worth 15,000. Then, Another incentive or reward na naman, you will be enjoying local travel going to El Nido or it could be Siargao or Boracay. So that's 4 days and 3 nights. Ayan, so ma-enjoy mo yan plus $150 product reward. Ayan. So from 5,000 naging 10,000, you will be ranked as Emerald Manager. As an Emerald Manager, meron kang 60,000 car plan. So it could be a down payment for your Mirage or may mga down payment na ngayon ng mga EV, no? So pwede na. 'Yun, para walang ano, no? Ayan. So it will be depending on the ano, no, kung ano yung gusto niyo na sakyan. Basta ito yung allotted budget for the down payment. Ayan. So from 10,000 naging 25,000 Sapphire Executive. As Sapphire Executive, you will be awarded again a travel incentive going to Thailand. And eto ang good news. Yung Thailand trip po natin, this is not just isa lang, hindi lang ito para sa iyo, but this is good for two. Siyempre, of course, hindi naman pwede walang yung partner mo. So, good for two ito, 5 days and 4 nights plus 500 product redemption. Yan. So, Sapphire Executive, maging Ruby Crown ka na. By this time, another travel incentive na naman, nakapag-Thailand ka na, another incentive going to Japan or South Korea. This is also good for 6 days and 5 nights. Ayan, plus 1,000 product redemption reward. Then Diamond Supreme, no? 100,000. So luxury items, pili ka lang, Rolex, Louis Vuitton, Balenciaga, it's up to you then. Ayan. So here in LifeMax Global, of course, hindi lang tayo ordinaryong membro dito or independent distributor, and gusto nating maging partner talaga, no? Not just an ordinary partner but as shareholder as well, no? Pag trinabaho mo itong LifeMax Global, may malaking possibility na maging shareholder ka dito. So this time pag nasa 200,000 accumulation ka na, you will be enjoying a junior shareholder. So you will be enjoying company profit sharing plus down payment for your Montero or Fortuner, no? That's 225,000. Then 5,000 product redemption reward. Then from junior share naging senior share ka na. Then company share profit sharing, then housing plan. Then ito, last but not the least, the major shareholder, then company share, Europe trip, good for 12 days and 11 nights, no? So mayroon ka pang profit sharing na kapag Europe ka pa. And take note, this is good for 2. 2 po 'yan. So, ayan para yung partner natin, no, hindi magtampo. Ayan. So kaya naman dito sa program ng ating LifeMax Global, napakalupit, napakatindi, napaka-enjoyable and talaga, no, napaka compensated, no, trabahuin. Okay, so ika nga dito, no, the only possible journey is the one you never begin, no. So kaya if you think na itong LifeMax Global malaking opportunity po na pwede pong ma-augment yung mga pangangailangan natin sa ating pang-araw-araw, no? So nagastusin, then you could do this part-time, or if you think na pwede talagang seryosohin at talagang i-maximize ang kitaan ni LifeMax, then you can do it also full-time. Kagaya namin, kagaya ng mga ibang leaders dito na talagang ginawang full-time po si LifeMax Global. Ayan. So, sa lahat po ng mga nandito ngayon, and if you think na gusto nyong idalhin sa next level itong ating negosyo, LifeMax Global, okay? So we are encouraging sa lahat ng mga negosyante at saka mga investors po natin na if you think na may malaking market po yung area ninyo, no? Napakaraming tao at alam nyong maraming pwede po tayong matulungan sa product na ito na sa inyong lugar, you could be a stockist, or kung may mga kakilala po kayo na potential na pwede maging stockist sa inyong lugar, pwede nyo po silang i-approach at sila po ay pwede nyong i-recommend na maging stockist. So meron po tayong finder's bonus for that. Okay? So ito yung program natin, no, Substockist. We have sub-stockist package 252,000. So meaning mobile po ito, mobile stockist or sub-stockist. So therefore, you are not exclusive on a particular area, but you can be kumbaga mobile, kumbaga pwede mong gawin ito kahit saan, no? So kumbaga walang jurisdiction 'yan, no? But you are just a sub-stockist, okay? So ano po yung benefit ng sub-stockist? Ang sub-stockist, by the way, ito yung inclusion. We have 1 Infinity Pack, 1 Master Pack, 2 Pro Pack, 4 Core Pack, 8 Light Pack. So it's up to you. Ang kagandahan nito, pwede natin maano yan, no? Ma-mix yan kung ano yung mas mabilis na package. It will be depending to the market, no? So depende. So meron kang rolling inventory around 80 boxes. So ang total products worth from your 252,000, ito po ay 336,000 pesos po yung product worth, and hindi pa po kasama ang mga codes po dyan. May mga codes pa po yan, no? So ano yung benefit? Of course, as a sub-stockist, you will be enjoying a service fee of 100 peso per box or 5% po yan every repurchase. Ayan. So as a service fee. And as well as a company, mayroon po tayong event support. That's 10,000 pesos for every subs stockist. So lahat na makakita or makakuha ng sub-stockist, they will be given a finder's bonus of 15,000 cash, not including the referral bonus. Ito yung kagandahan dahil of course lahat ng mga stockists, no, pag na mag-encode before yan ma-plug natin, mag-i-encode yan. Pag encode niyan, meron ka pang referral bonus, meron ka pang binders bonus, meron ka pang product support na 5 bucks with no PB worth 10,500. Ayan. Then ito, no, so sa City Stockies natin 504,000. So ito naman yung inclusion. So 2 Infinity Pack, 2 Master Pack, 4 Pro Pack, 8 Core Pack, 16 Light Pack, no? So sama ng sinabi ko kanina, so it will be depending on the stockies, no? Kung ano yung gusto nila, basta mag-ano lang, ano lang sa amount, no? Kumbaga same amount lang, no? Then yung rolling inventory 160 boxes, product worth 336,000. So total product worth 672,000 pesos. So hindi pa kasali yung mga encoding dyan, no? So yung benefit ng City Stockies, of course, pag sila po ay City Stockies on that particular area, isa lang po. By the way, pag may City Stockies na on the on a certain area, isa lang po ang pwede. So pasensya na kung sino yung mauna, yun lang talaga ang mapaplag at hindi na po tayo accept ng other stockies. So every city po yan, no? Okay, so yan. So yan ang isang benefit ng City Stockies. He or she will be exclusively on that particular area. And of course, on the other side, every box repeat purchase, meron siyang 10%. That's 200 peso per box. Then meron siyang company support na 2 event, that's worth of 20,000. Okay? So ito yung kagandahan dahil lahat ng mga sub-stockists on the second repurchase pwede pong magkuha sa kanila. Yan. Then finder's bonus. Okay? Sa lahat ng makakuha ng City Stockies, he or she will enjoy finder's bonus of 30,000 cash plus product support of 10 bucks with no PB. That's 21,000 pesos. Ayan. So, that's it. And I know na if meron kayong pwede ma-recommend or sa tingin nyo, pwede kayo mismo mag-stockies, don't hesitate to info or to talk to your upline or sponsor, no? Para mapag-usapan po natin yung programa. Ayan. So, once again, I would like to thank all of the leaders right now na nandito ngayon sa ating Zoom meeting and as well as lahat ng ating mga guests po natin, no, for tonight. Zoom meetings from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Maraming salamat po. And kung may mga questions po kayo, don't hesitate na kausapin po yung mga nag-invite sa inyo. So once again, thank you very much. Coach Bernie, back to you.
Wow, Wow, thank you for that great presentation. Sa mga gustong seryosohin ang negosyo, we highly recommend you to get at least 3 accounts and then do the Power of 4. Yung po yung tinatawag nating Get 4 Leaders Program and then duplicate. And with that, we can earn even up to 8.5 million, no, pesos or even more if we will take it a little seriously. So with that, we thank our beloved Chief Marketing Officer, Cap, Coach Gerson Pareño, and all of you, dear partners and guests, for coming over. So I think that's about it, ladies and gentlemen. See you on our next Zoom, and to God be the glory.